My phone finally arrived, so now I can show you the Vizvera S26 Ultra case. This one has got spots for your cards, and it's got a slide over camera protector. But how I like to get this in, because this is a nice snug fit, which is exactly what you want, is I start at the top, and then I just pop it in down here at the bottom, and everything fits perfectly. Let me show you how the camera fits in here. That slides over. Perfect fit. And then I also have, this is about the size of my license, a little bit wider, but to show you just what fits in here. So you can fit credit cards, IDs, business cards, right in that slot. And it has the RFID protection too, which is a super nice feature with this. But as you can see, the Vizvera phone S26 Ultra, fantastic, love it. Beautiful color.